Hello, Professor. This is Team 8 from Electronics Lab 2, Section RBC. This is the second activity, Design and Instrumentation Amplifier. Group members are myself, Hussein Al-Basri, Panther ID 6215588.
I'm Yusuf Al-Mufarrij. My Panther ID is 6216886.
My name is Mohammed. My Panther ID is 6181601.
And I'm Saleh Al-Kandari. My Panther ID is 6102029. And let me start off with the objective. The main objective of this task is to prepare the design of the instrumentation amplifier. And for this purpose, the very basic structure is given. For the proper designing, some specific conditions are given, and according to these conditions, the phase of designing is done. And for the theory part, the operational amplifier is a very significant component. It has several practical applications, and the main use of this amplifier is in the designing of several circuits. The basic purpose of using this amplifier is to enhance the magnitude of input signal. The input signal is enhanced according to the gain of the amplifier. This gain is extracted by the characteristic of the circuit, and the operational amplifier is also existed in the integrated circuit.
This was the first task of this lab, and in this lab, the buffer amplifiers were designed. The instrumentation amplifier was having 3 amplifiers, and the first 2 amplifiers were the buffer amplifiers.
Secondly, in this particular task, the designing of the differential amplifier was done. In this amplifier, there were 4 resistors. In this section, all the resistors were designed properly. The gain was given, and according to the given gain, all the resistors were designed. And this was the very significant steps for the overall designing for amplifier. In task 3, in this part, in this particular circuit, the concept of the bandwidth was introduced. This is the actually significant parameter that tells us about the range of maximum gain. In this task, the designing was reviewed according to the bandwidth of the parameter.
In this particular part, the functioning of the circuit was corrected according to the statement. There must be no input in the absence of. There must be no output in the absence of input. There was just one condition of output. If there was a significant input at the input terminal of the amplifier, and all of these steps, the complete designing of the amplifier was done. In conclusion, in this lab, observation was made on the design circuit. There were many significant parameters, including the common mode, rejection ratio, and the frequency response of the circuit. This observation was initially done by using theoretical method, multisim, and after multisim, MyDeck was also utilized to get some results. Thank you, and this is the end of the lab report.